Greetings. We're here for Egg Lab day number 3, even though it's actually day number 4. So today I'm going to take the egg out of the corn syrup and measure its mass, measure its long circumference, and measure its short circumference, and then we're going to put it in distilled water. So we're also going to make some observations. So here's our egg in corn syrup. You can see it looks very different. Still floating, so I'm going to carefully remove it from the cup that it is in and rinse it off carefully. Whew. Pretty sticky today. Pretty sticky today. Okay. So this is what I've got. You can see that it's much squishier today. So let's carefully put it into a cup and measure its mass. And then we'll write that down. If you guys can see that or not. The mass on this is 57.7. I'll write down. Paper towel there. Okay, now we got to get the long circumference and the short circumference. And again, I'll try to show you that as best I can so that you can see. Remember, with the mass, we've got to factor in the mass of the cup. So long circumference. It's kind of hard to tell which is the long circumference on this thing, honestly, because it's just kind of flat. There we go. If you guys can see that or not, might be a little difficult to see. Looking like 13 centimeters is the long. Exactly. And the short circumference is looking like 11 and a half. 11 and a half. 13 long, short circumference, 11 and a half centimeters. Okay. All right. Well, we got what we need, so let's check out how that's going to look on our lab. Today is day 3, but it's actually day 4. So Friday, December 18th, 2020. And in the data table, we have to subtract out the mass of the cup, which was 10.3. So 57.7 minus 10.3 is 47.4 grams. Long circumference, like I had written down on the paper towel, is 13. Oops. And short circumference is 11.5. And the egg looks flat. Very soft, fragile. Okay, now we're going to put it in distilled water. So I got my egg in my cup. I'll put it in distilled water. And we'll leave it until, well, it will have to be Monday. All right, and we'll see what happens to it by then. That's will be the last day of the lab. So looking at it in distilled water, it is not floating, sunk to the bottom. Okay. So our observations for initial at first, egg sinks in water, and it's not bubbling or anything. It's just sitting there. So that's it. So Monday I'll do a video of the last day, and then we can finish up this lab and be done. Thanks.